top 5 minutes question analysis. This video contains 5 minutes expected questions from UGC NET JRF Commerce for the commerce students. Without any delay, we have to move on the question. The question is, which one is the correct regarding LLP? LLP means Limited Liability Partnership. This was the question. Which one is the correct option regarding LLP? These are the option. Option number A. LLP have 80 sections and 4 schedules. Then the second option. First schedule determine the conversion of firm into LLP. Second schedule says about the mutual rights and duties of partners. Then the final option is third schedule says the conversion of private company into LLP. Okay, this was the latest pattern type question. LLP is newly added in our syllabus in the year 2019. So much of questions that we are expecting in the area of LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. We are going to the explanation. After that explanation, we are making the answer. Okay, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. LLP consists 81 sections and 4 schedules. The question says that the first option is 80 sections and 4 schedules. This was wrong because of the explanation says that 81 sections and 4 schedules contains the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Then the first schedule, the mutual rights and duties of the partners in the absence of an agreement. If I will give an example. If A and B are partners, think it, listen carefully friends. A and B are partners. They are going to the partnership, Limited Liability Partnership without any agreement. In the absence of such agreement, the first schedule specifically mentioned the mutual rights and duties of the partners in the absence of agreement. That is given in the first schedule of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Then the second schedule of the Limited Liability Partnership Act specifically mentioned the conversion of a partnership firm into LLP. The partnership firm converted into LLP, which is specifically mentioned in the second schedule of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Then the third schedule of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, conversion of a private company into LLP. Conversion of a private company into Limited Liability Partnership. Then the final option is the fourth schedule, conversion of an unlisted company into LLP. What do you mean by the unlisted company which is not listed in the recognized stock exchange? That is the unlisted company which is not listed in the recognized stock exchange. That type of companies, unlisted companies which are moved into the LLP, Limited Liability Partnership, which is mentioned in the fourth schedule of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. These are the explanation. Yes friends, option D is the right answer. That is third schedule says that the conversion of a private company into LLP. That we are saying that third schedule is the conversion of a private company into LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. That is the option D is the right answer that is given in the question. That is first option is LLP have 80 section and 4 schedule. It have 81 section. So this one is the wrong one. Then the first schedule determine the conversion of a firm into LLP. That is also be wrong. Which schedule the conversion of a firm into LLP? That is second schedule given the conversion of a firm into LLP. This question is given first schedule. That is also be the wrong question. Then the second schedule says, the third option is second schedule says about the mutual rights and duties of the partners. That is the first schedule given the mutual rights and duties of the partners in the absence of an agreement. That is first schedule. Here the question says second schedule. That is also be wrong. Then the third schedule says that the conversion of a private company into LLP. That is the right one. Third schedule, the conversion of a private company into LLP. Fourth schedule also be taken into consideration. An unlisted public company which is converted into LLP. That is also be taken into the consideration. Fourth schedule. Yes friends. Today top 5 minutes question analysis is over. We are discussing today the top 5 minutes question analysis, expected question from the UGC NET JRF Commerce, part 1. Yes, We are meet again in the part 2. Thank you for watching.